Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss coordinating conjunctions, an important concept in grammar. Although they may seem daunting, coordinating conjunctions are simple to use. We will explain what coordinating conjunctions are, how they function, and how you can use them to make your writing more concise and coherent. So, let's start. What are coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions are words that link two or more elements of equal importance within a sentence. The acronym Fanboys is often used to remember the 7 coordinating conjunctions in English: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These conjunctions are used to join phrases, clauses, and words in a sentence. Next is, how do coordinating conjunctions function? Coordinating conjunctions serve various purposes in a sentence, such as creating compound sentences, joining words or phrases, and creating lists. Here are some examples. For, I'm taking a sweater, for it is going to be cold tonight. So in this sentence, or is used in the sense of because or whenever we have to give reason. And, I have to buy some eggs and bread from the grocery store. Here and is used to do addition. It is used to connect two nouns, eggs and breads. Nor, he does not like mangoes, nor does he like apples. Here in the sentence there are two negative options. So whenever we have to join two negative options, we use nor. But, I wanted to go to the gym, but I felt too exhausted. But is used to show contrast in a sentence. Or, would you like to have tea or coffee? Well, it is described to give an option between tea or coffee. Yet, the weather was terrible, yet we still went hiking. Here again, we show contrast in a sentence by using the conjunction yet. So, the pool is closed, so we have to go to the beach. Here, so is used to describe the result that the pool is closed, that's why. So is used in the sense of that's why. How to use this conjunction in your writing? To use coordinating conjunctions effectively, you need to know when and how to use them in a sentence. Firstly, you can use coordinating conjunctions to join two independent clauses and create a compound sentence. For example, I have a test tomorrow, so I am studying tonight. Secondly, you can use coordinating conjunctions to join words or phrases of equal importance. For example, I am interested in politics and economics. Thirdly, you can use coordinating conjunctions to create a list of items, such as I need to buy apples, oranges, and bananas. So, the coordinating conjunctions are essential in English grammar. They link sentence element and make your writing more coherent. Remember to use them properly and in the right context. So, it's all about the coordinating conjunctions. Thank you for watching and we hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.